Simplexity is a good company for large and small companies. If you're a small company that doesn't necessarily have the full expertise in an area, or if they don't have a full electrical engineering department to work on something, they can come to us and we can fill the gaps. For larger companies, Simplexity is another good alternative, because if they're running out of capacity, we can take up the slack and fill in where they need something done.
There's a large spectrum of different complexities that an electrical project can have. Sometimes it's a small, easy PCB that's meant just to test a specific sensor or test a certain chemistry or test a specific device that's being developed. Other times it can be an all-in-one solution where we're making a PCB that would exist in a robot that does 10 different actions at the same time. So there's really a wide variety. I think Simplexity really excels at the ability to enter a electrical design project from a high level and look at the overall architecture.
We've got a series of tools here, our schematic capture. We do all of our board layout. We have good analog engineers. We also have a number of people that are really good at VHDL, FPGAs. We also have another set of embedded software programmers. So they're ones taking the processor and they can help us get things going for an embedded application where we have a mixture of software and hardware that all has to interact well.
In a general electrical project, there will be an element that's a brain or kind of a controller, and then there are sensors, things that pick up measurements about the surrounding environment, and then actuation. And Simplexity excels at the actuation and that's needed for the motion control and robotics that we work on.
Simplexity, simplifying the complex.